sifting flour for Christmas cookies. So welcome guys, today is the 12th and we are going to make Christmas cookies today. And I'm at Amanda's house, so yay, thanks for having me over to do this.
Of course.
Yay!
And you get the butter. Butter. Do I need to cut the butter up or anything? Nope, just add them. Is it supposed to be full sticks or half sticks like this? Those are half cups, so 2 sticks makes 1 cup. Okay, got it. Going to be the one true way to find your partner. I think we're still going to need it work. Butter. Proximity is still super important. That's one of the reasons why it's still most popular. Don't touch the mixer with dirty hands. So you're going to lift up on the lever, back towards the wall, and up. So you're going to lift up the bowl. I'm going to lift up the bowl? Yeah. Right here? No, the lever in the back. Roll up. Other way. Yeah. There you go. Up until lock. There you go, perfect. Okay. And then here on the side, each click is a line. So, turn it on.
You're going to beat until fluffy. You're going to see it lighten up and become fluffy. So you can turn off the mixer, lower it, and dump the rest of the flour in so that you can have better access.
Up. Mixing is a...
Does it look mixed?
not all the way.
What's that?
Well, on the bottom.
Okay. So at this point, here, let's see. Let me see. Yeah, so at this point, and add more so we can make another batch of dough too.
Okay. Yay, cookies in the oven. Okay. What do we do with? Taking these off onto here.
Yep, and we're gonna let them cool more. Okay, if you wanted to, you could go for it. We have these.
Okay.
We have these. You know, you don't, because we're gonna have so much stuff to decorate them with. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's beautiful. Well, we don't have a black, so we're gonna do a blue hat.
Those are better. Not as crispy. Definitely. Oh, maybe as crispy. Oh, who cares?
Oh, who cares? They're cookies. Who gives a shit?
Oh, cool. No, kitchen timer off. That's off now.
Hi, I'm Andrew Lincoln. I used to be on
I'm gonna steal one of these cooling racks from underneath you. There you go. Oh, that's cute.
Look at our cookies. We got plain, beautifully decorated. Some that Amanda took a lot of effort on, like this one right here. Look at how cool that is. And then we have frosted but not decorated because, you know, that gets tiring after a while and not everybody wants sprinkles. So, yay, this is our creation. Isn't that cute? Woohoo! Hey guys, look at these cookies. I gave you guys like a closer up view of them, but yay, aren't they beautiful? We had a really good time making them. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want, you can follow along. You can click the subscribe button down below and let me know what your favorite Christmas cookies are. These are just really fun and very traditionally festive, so yay. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful evening. Much aloha.